Welcome back to the Jacked Racing YouTube channel. It's wash day. Something strange just happened. I rolled the car backwards out of the garage and just decided to try and push the starter button just to see, and it started. So it's not the battery. It must just be a bad connection somewhere. So we'll have to dig in here and see if we can figure out what is causing that weird little starting issue. But once I hit the button and it started to crank, it fired right up. So that's good. It just must need something small. Maybe there's a loose connection somewhere. I'll dig around, check, clean up all the connections, check the solenoid and the starter, make sure they're good. But car starts, so that's one big thing off the list to worry about. It's looking a lot better now. Big difference it makes once you get all the grime and dirt off of it. Once we get it dried off, I'll pull it back into the garage. I'll start sanding it, taping it. The worst part of painting, the prep. Once that's done, I'm gonna have to put a tarp down on the driveway, pull it back out, park it on the tarp, paint it, and then bring it back in. I think we're gonna do a matte black with some kind of metal flake, darker chrome red color accents on it, and then we'll do white numbers on the side. I think that's going to be a good look. It's my classic look. Alright, now it's time for the real test. It started once, but will it start twice? I really hope so. I don't want to push this thing back into the garage. Here goes nothing. Please, please, please. This car is so loud. My neighbors are gonna hate me so much. We're gonna have to probably put a muffler on it at some point. Mostly just for when we unload it after a race night at like 2, 1 in the morning, whatever it's gonna be. That's gonna be bad. They're gonna be mad. So, muffler. We'll get one. Now that it's all clean, we gotta get some of this goop off. We got sticky stuff from the vinyl all over the car. So we gotta get this stuff off. Got some goo gone up here. Hopefully it'll work. And then we're gonna get some sandpaper, sand all of this down, tape it, and then it'll be time to paint it. I'm gonna use Goo Gone to get some of this stuff off, but I've never used it on Lexan before. So I'm gonna test this spot on this little sticker here that never came off to make sure it doesn't fog up the glass. We had an accident one time when we didn't quite know what we were doing. We had some paint residue on a windshield, and we used brake cleaner to try and take it off. It worked for about 5 seconds, and then the whole windshield just fogged right over. So now we're a little bit more careful with what we put on our windshields. Unfortunately, the rules don't allow spoilers here, so this high-tech redneck spoiler is going to have to come off. Luckily, it's just a couple of rivets. It should drill off in just a couple minutes. Just my luck, the battery dies on the last rivet. Alright, the Goo Gone's been sitting for a couple minutes. Let's see how it worked. Oh, perfect. Taking this extra goo right off. I guess it really does what it says. Today I learned that Goo Gone is super slippery. I've almost fallen like 15 times on this floor. floor is slippery, the car is slippery, everything is slippery. Goo Gone makes everything a mess. So we wiped it down, got sandpaper. This is gonna be nothing fancy, so all you show car people don't get too mad. I'm just gonna give it a quick sand down, tape off the glass, and we'll take it outside and spray paint it. I tried getting this gunk off for a really long time, and it was a really big challenge. So I ordered a big strip of black vinyl. I'm just going to put that right across the top. It'll look cool. We can put a big jacked racing across the top, and it'll help with the sunset races. So not a big deal. This tape is ugly, but it's going to get the job done. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just a race car. It's probably going to get beat up on anyways. So tomorrow we'll roll it back out into the driveway, get it painted, and then we'll start working on some fun designs after that. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.